Hey there, and welcome back to my channel Rising Genius. Now, for those who had seen my last Sudoku video, I had given you a homework puzzle to solve. It was a 4x4 Sudoku matrix that I had asked you to try and solve. If you could do that puzzle, then very good. Then in this video, I am going to be showing you how to solve that homework puzzle. But if you haven't seen that video, or if you do not know how to play Sudoku, then I recommend that you first go to that video, see the Sudoku rules for beginners video, and then come back to this video. I have given a link to that video in the description box. Okay, so let's begin with today's video. I am going to be first showing you the homework puzzle, and then we will start solving it. So that was the homework puzzle. Now before I show you how to solve it, I would like to share a story with you. So after I posted the last Rising Genius video, I was watching it in loop continuously while editing it. My little 5-year-old comes to me and says, let me also see the videos. I said, see. And then she started looking at that video in loops, and she kind of understood how to play the game. So she gets my Sudoku book and she says, Mummy, let's play Rising Genius. So she thought the name of the game is Rising Genius. So I said, no, let's play Sudoku. So I said, okay, so let's try to solve the homework puzzle only. So what I did was I took her drawing book, I drew the homework 4x4 puzzle, and then I set up the camera also because I wanted to put this on record just for fun. And we started recording. And while we were solving this, and this was happening like 10 or 11 in the night, yeah, and a kid's attention span is so less that I had to quickly engage her into the activity. So while I was solving the puzzle with her, the video was recording, and then when I saw the video, it came out so well that I said, let me post this video only rather than showing you myself how to solve the puzzle. Let's post the video where my kid is solving it with me. So this homework puzzle is now going to be solved by my kid, and that video is what you're going to be seeing now. So chalo, let's see that video. Okay, so you have to put numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 in this big box. Can you see this big black box? Can you see this big black box? Yes or no?
Yes.
This is also a big black box. Yes?
Yes.
This is also a big black box.
Yes.
And this also is a big black
Yes.
box. Okay, so you have to put numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 in the big black box. But you cannot repeat the numbers in the box or in any line. Okay? So let's begin. Let's start with this box first, this square. What number you think will come? Can 1 come?
Yes.
1, if you write 1. Now tell me if 1 can come. Look up, is there any 1?
Yes.
Yes, so can 1 come here?
No.
No, so 1 is wrong. So now we'll erase it. Okay, where is your
4
eraser?
comes.
Let's see what will come.
I know what will come.
Okay, now wait, first tell me, can 2 come?
No, because already 2 is
No,
here.
so 2 is in this line. So 2 can come here because 2 is not in
But
this
we
line.
can make 4.
Yes, you can make 4 also. By 2 and 4. 2, small 2. Write a small 2 and a small 4. Yes, so you can have 2 and 4. Okay. Try this box. What, can 1 come?
No, but already 1 is here.
Correct. Can 2 come?
Yes.
Write 2. Small writing. Good. Now tell me, I said small writing. Now tell me, can 2 come?
Yes.
See in this line, is 2 there?
Yes.
Then can 2 come here?
No.
No. So that is the wrong answer. Okay. So now, where can 2 come? So 2 cannot come here, right? Can 3 come?
No.
Why?
Because 3 is already here.
So what is left? Which number now?
4.
Very good. So now write big 4. Dark. Very good. So 4 can come here. Now tell me in this square, what will come?
1.
Why?
Because 1 is already here.
No. Why 1 will come here? Tell me. In this full line, you need to have numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. Correct? You have to fit all the 4 numbers.
So 1.
So 1 is left here. Correct. Only 1 is remaining. So now you got 1, 2, 3 and 4. Very good. Okay. Now we'll start with this number. This square. What do you think will come? Can 1 come here?
No, because
Why?
already 1 is here.
Yes. 1 is already here and 1 is also in this big black box. Correct? So
Yes.
1 cannot come here.
3.
Okay, tell me, well, go line by line. Now can 2 come here?
Yes, because 2 is not in this box.
2 is not in this line, 2 is not in this line, and 2 is not in this box, right? So write
Yes.
2 in small writing. First see all the numbers. Okay. Now, can 3 come here?
No,
Why?
because already 3 is here.
Very good. Can 4 come here?
No, yes,
Yes. Why?
because 4 is not in any line.
Yes, 4 is not in here, 4 is not in here. So 4 can come here. Correct. So write 2 and 4. Both in small handwriting. Very good. Now, what number will come here? 1 is already there. Can 1 come here?
No,
Why?
because already 1 is here.
Correct. Can 2 come here?
No, because already 2 is
No, but this is small writing, no? So 2 can come here or it can come here.
here.
Yes. So write 2 in small writing. Good. Now can 3 come here?
Yes.
Okay, write 3 and tell me. Can 3 come here? Check properly.
No,
Why?
because 3 is already
Yes,
here.
3 is already in the big box. So you cannot have 3 here. Correct. Then can 4 come here in this box?
No, yes.
See properly. Write 4 and tell me. Is
Because
4
already,
correct?
yes, 4 can come.
Okay.
Because already 4 is here. You tell 2 can come, so 4 can come.
2 and 4 both can come here. But check here, is 4 already there?
Yes.
You have already written big 4 here, no?
Yes.
So you cannot have 4 here. Yes. So we'll erase this. So what is left here in this box?
5.
What is this number? From where 5 came?
2.
2. So we have to make a big 2 now. So make a big 2. Very good. So if this is a big 2, then any other 2 you remove. Is there any 2?
Yes.
Yes. So now what is left in this box? What number is left?
4.
4. Very good. So now you write a big giant 4 here. Very good. Superb. Very good.
Now,
Now tell me, you have written small 2 and 4 here, okay?
Yes.
Now tell me what number can come here. Can 1 come here? Start with number 1 always. Can 1 come here?
yes.
Okay. Yes. Why?
Because 1 is just here.
1 is where? 1 is not here. Is 1 here?
Yes.
Is
No.
1 here?
No.
No. And is 1 in this big box?
No.
So 1 can come here. So write in small writing because other number also can come. Okay. Can 2 come here?
Yes.
See properly?
No. But it's just
No, don't see your small 2s. See any big 2s are there. Yes, big 2 is on top. So you cannot have 2 here. Now, how about 3? Can 3 come here?
Yes.
See properly. Can 3
No,
come here? No.
no.
Why? Because 3 is there. Correct. Say because 3 is here.
Because 3 is here.
Huh. Then can 4 come here?
Yes. No.
Why? No.
Because 4 is just here.
Correct. So now what number is left? What number you written in small writing?
1.
1. So only 1 is left, no?
Yes.
You said no, 2 is here, 3 is here, and 4 is here. So only 1 is left. So write 1 in big writing. Don't do that. Get hurt. Write 1 in big writing. Very good. Big giant 1. Good. Now tell me what is left in this box. See, in this full line 1, 2, 3, 4 should fit.
3.
Very good. So write 3 here. Big 3. Good job. Is there 3 anywhere here?
No.
Is 3 anywhere here?
No.
No. And is 3 anywhere here?
No.
In other boxes? No. So this 3 is correct. Very good. Super. Now
only
let's
the-
try. Yes. Let's try this box. See, only this box is left in this full
And this
line.
box is also left.
Yes, but no. You have to complete the lines first. So what is left here?
I know what's left. 2.
2. Very good. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. What is left here?
I know what's left. 3.
Very good. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. Superb. Now, let's make one for here. Let's do this one. Can 1 come here?
Yes.
Yes, because there's no 1 here or here or here. So write one small one. Okay. Can 2 come here?
No, because 2 is already here.
Very good. What about 3?
No, but 3 is already here.
Yeah, 3 is here, 3 is also here, and 3 is also in the big box, no? So we cannot have 3 here. And how about the last number 4?
Yes, because 4 is not in this line or this line.
Yes, so 1 and 4. You'll have to write both here. 1 you've written, 4 also you write in small writing. Very good. Now, how about here? What number can come here? One
I
can
know.
come?
No, because already one's
Yes.
here.
Can 2 come?
Yes, because no, 2 is only here.
Where 2 is there? Yes or no? Can 2 come here?
Yes,
Okay, write 2 and tell me if it is right or wrong.
it's right because 2 is not in this line only.
Which line?
This line.
But what about this line?
Oh, no,
It's
no,
here
no.
and 2 is also in the big box. So you can't have 2 here. Okay? So 2 is wrong. So you cannot have 1 because 1 is already in this line
I know
and
what
2
will
is
come.
already in this line.
I know what will come. 4.
4. Why not 3?
3. No.
Because 3 is in the big box. Very good. So you're right. Only 4 can come. Now if 4 can come here, means all small 4s you remove from your this line. Any small 4s are there? Yes. So remove the small 4. And any small 4s are there in this line?
No.
See, you've written a small 4. I can see in this line.
This line?
Where is the small 4 you've written? So remove that. So now what is left in this box?
2.
2. So now you make a big giant 2 here. Okay, and what you will make here? What is left here?
The 1.
1. So make a big giant 1. Very good. So now 1 is correct. Now what number is remaining? I see in this big box only one number is pending.
4.
4. Correct. And you finish the puzzle. You are going to get. Say.
A star.
3 giant stars.
And here
Or
finish.
4 giant stars for finishing the 4x4 matrix.
And then here 4 I did correct for me.
It is for every. Okay, so this was the first time my kid played Sudoku with me, and I had super fun playing it with her and recording it at the same time. I hope you also keep solving puzzles, keep solving Sudoku, and keep that mind sharp. A lot of new videos will be posted on this channel regarding different fun activities that you could do with your kids, as well as different puzzles that I will be solving with you all. So do like, share and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and any young parents you know. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.